Hands in the air. Hands in the air. This is not a robbery. This is an ESL tutorial, okay? Now, hands down. Okay, so the Mexican standoff. Ooh. First of all, hands in your pocket. Now, take your guns out. Ooh. Guns in the air, guns down. Okay, so, a very powerful sentence. This town, this town is too small for us. And you say a name. Example, this town is too small for us, Clémence. Okay? Alright, this town is too small for us, Clémence. So, when we'll say someone's name, that person will drop, and the others will be able to shoot and say, bang!
Bang!
Everybody, bang!
Bang!
I don't want to hear bing or bloom, I want to hear bang!
Bang!
Okay, ready? I start. This town is too small for us. Alice!
Bang!
Oh! Alice dropped. Heather shot first, and she shot Clémence. Now, Clémence, sorry. Bye, Clémence, bye. Bye. Alice, you're still in the game, but Clémence is out. So, Alice, can you step right here? Okay. Alice, Leonie, and Heather, okay? So, Alice, say the sentence.
This town is too small for us, Heather.
Bang! Oh! You shot yourself! Oh, no. Oh, terrible. Oh, bye. So, now, when you're left with 3 persons, what you can do is someone from the outside can say, this town is too small for us, okay? So, of course, you start with 10, 20, 30 kids. It's really fun. Now, when you end up with only 3 people left in the game, it tends to be a bit difficult. But let's have, hey, Clémence. Clémence was eliminated a while ago. So, Clémence, you're an outside voice, okay? So you're gonna say, this town is too small for us, and say a name. Okay, ready? And go.
This town is too small for us, Leonie.
Bang! Bang! Oh no! I was supposed to shoot you! Oh! I'm dead now, I'm dead. Okay, what happens when 2 people are left only? So, back to back. Everyone, let's count to 3, okay? And at 3, you can shoot. 1, 2, 3!
Bang!
Oh! Heather's the fastest gun in France. Bye, Ernie, bye. Okay, so of course, one thing you can do is with our USA project, we've decided to go all Wide West on it. This town is too small for us, but of course you can do a lot of sentences depending on the theme you're working on. Have fun, bye.